Welcome everybody. Carol here in her art room. In today's video, I'm going to do a modified bloom. It's something new that's going around YouTube right now. My sister did one and a few other people I've seen. So yeah, it's very pretty and you embellish it however you like. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this one and let's get started. All right, I'm back. I'm going to do a second one. Hopefully this one will be a bit quicker. I'm going to do the same colors, but in different order. Okay. There's some air bubbles there. All right, so let's see which one I'm going to put first. The other one I did the green and the purple near the bottom. I'm going to do the purple and gold near the bottom. How's that? Probably got too much paint. I should make it smaller. I'll use a bit less than I did before. I've got turquoise. Maybe I'll put the turquoise on top. Maybe I'll put this green next, the peridot green. And this lavender frost. And then I'll do this turquoise. I hope this works out okay. I hope it's not too opaque. Cell activator. Straw. Okay, I'm going to blow this now. Drizzled a bit. It's okay. That's pretty. Cell activator took on the green. Okay. I don't see any air bubbles this time, so I'll take my skewer through. No, I'm gonna I think for this technique, my paints are a bit on the thin side, so I will adjust them next time. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Oh well, I dragged my too much weight through there. I think I'll just stretch it now. Go this way now. Swirled again. It's pretty cool. Now I think I'll same colors, and they're going to look so different. Makes it look like you have pretty petals on your flowers. This is so cute. I love it. When I first saw it, I wasn't keen. I didn't know if I'd like it or not, but it depends on the colors. It depends on how you embellish it. It's pretty cool, actually. Less is more, so I don't want to keep going and do too much. I think I'm going to leave this one now. What do you think? Well, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications for when I do more. And I surely will be doing more of these. I'll bring you down for a close-up. There you go. I love it. I'll show you the other one beside it. Hope I don't drop it. There you go. The same colors. Whoops, let me go this way a bit. Same colors, but just in different orders. And totally different look. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. The dried result will be at the end. Bye. Hi everyone. Came to see my dried tile. My modified bloom. Look at that gold. Oh my lord. I love it. It's a really nice gold. It's dark, shiny. And the Deco Art lilac. It's really pretty. Dried really smooth. So happy with this. And my lines pretty much stayed. I thought they might disappear because my paints were a little on the thin side, but pretty good. So if I thicken them up a little bit, I might get some more dividing lines, but I'm happy with it. All right, have a good day, everyone. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe. Thank you. Hello, everybody. This is my dried modified bloom. This dried so awesome. I can't believe it. The shiny paints are so beautiful. Look at that shine. I love it. I love how it's one color up here and gold over here. Really nice. That's my very first one. I'm happy with the results. Stay tuned for more in Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe to my channel. All right, have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.